Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. With all that is new in this emerging tech world, Persistent Systems recognized as a challenger in the 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant. They were awarded for excellence in public cloud IT transformation services. They also offer cloud consulting, application data migration, and cybersecurity. They employ over 12,000 cloud experts globally. O9 Solutions enhanced digital brain platform with new generative AI capabilities. Their update aims to improve enterprise productivity and decision making. The company incorporates advanced enterprise knowledge graph. They also utilize natural language processing (NLP) for more intuitive interfacing. Next up, we have Liminal unveiled the Vaults Android app, a tool for digital asset management. Their app is backed by multi-party computation technology. The app allows for collaborative asset management. The app also prioritizes safety and efficiency in digital asset handling. Asus Republic of Gamers hosts the Never Stop Gaming event at EVE Cologne, Germany. Asus is launching new gaming products, a highlight being Z790 motherboards. Their new motherboards support Intel Core, DDR5 memory, and PCIe 5.0. The event is set to be a hub for the latest in gaming technology. ViewSonic Corporation conducted a partner summit in Goa, India. At the event, they also displayed their latest monitor technology. Attendees engaged in discussions about future strategies and market expansion. The company aims is to cement its market position in India. Crossbeats introduced the new Aura smartwatch priced at 3,499. The watch boasts an AMOLED display and advanced Bluetooth calling. It also promises a battery life of up to 8 days. Crossbeats aims to target the tech-savvy audience looking for affordable smartwatches. At last, Rich Communication Designer allows organizations across industries, including banking, insurance, government, utilities, and telecom, to create responsive communications such as statements, policy schedules, welcome letters, invoices, bills, reminders, and notifications. It also enables enterprises to reach out to customers through their channel of choice, such as emails, SMS, WhatsApp Messenger, social media, and others. Reusable components and master templates drastically reduces communication design time and effort for employees. Businesses can set up components and master template library of reusable design objects such as images, tables, headers, footers, and static and dynamic content to design and modify hundreds of templates in minutes. Seamless integration with business app brings down operational costs associated with managing multiple legacy applications by integrating the platform with various BPM, CRM, and core systems, enabling designing, delivery, and tracking of enterprise-wide communications from these apps. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.
Hey space fans! Get ready for an epic ride with Chandrayaan 3, India's lunar adventure. Since July 14, Chandrayaan 3 has been dancing with the moon and now it's about to land on the South Pole. Cool, right? The lander is going to meet the moon, like space friends shaking hands. Then, lander gently lands, making history. Why target the moon's elusive South Pole? Frozen water. Frozen water is hidden there, like space ice. This lunar water ice is a time capsule of cosmic history, a potential energy source of our odyssey to space, and a fountain of knowledge. It's a time capsule telling secrets about the universe. Join our cosmic journey. Subscribe and explore space with us. Like, comment, and share with space fans everywhere. Let's dive into the universe together. See you in the space.